Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Honest Mirror.
Today, we are starting Chapter 5, and the topic is phrase and clause, one of the most important grammar chapters.
Till now, we've learned about sentences and types of sentences.
And today, we'll learn what sentences are actually made of.
So let's begin. A phrase is a group of words that has meaning but does not have a subject and a verb together.
That's why a phrase cannot form a complete sentence.
Remember these points. A phrase has meaning. A phrase has no subject-verb pair. A phrase is only a part of a sentence.
Examples of phrases: in the morning, under the table, very happy, a bunch of grapes, at the bus stop, full of joy, with great care.
All these make sense, but none of them can stand alone.
Let's see phrases inside sentences.
She wakes up in the morning. The cat is under the table. He was very happy. She spoke with great care.
If we take the phrase out of the sentence and use it alone, it will not convey meaning and cannot stand by itself.
Now it's time for a quick test. Identify whether the following are phrases. In the garden, very slowly, a glass of milk, on the roof, full of confidence.
Pause the video and think.
All of them are phrases because none of them has a subject and a verb together. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb.
That's why a clause is stronger than a phrase.
A clause has a subject. A clause has a verb. A clause may or may not be a complete sentence.
Examples of clauses. She is singing. I like tea. He was sleeping. When the bell rang. Because it was raining. If you work hard.
All these have subject plus verb, so they are clauses.
Let's see clauses in real sentences.
I stayed home because it was raining. She smiled when she saw me. You will succeed if you work hard.
Now let's check how well you understand clauses. Identify the clause in each sentence.
She smiled when she saw her friend. If you chose when she saw her friend, you guessed right, because it contains she as the subject and saw as the verb.
The boy with blue eyes is my cousin. With blue eyes doesn't qualify as a clause. There's no subject and no verb here, so it remains a phrase.
I stayed at home because it was raining. Nice job if you picked because it was raining. You can clearly spot it as subject and was raining as verb. People who pay their debts are trusted. Well done! Who pay their debts works perfectly as a clause. You can see who and pay right there.
The cat under the table is sleeping. Under the table may sound meaningful, but it lacks a subject-verb pair. So yes, it's a phrase, not a clause. Whenever you feel confused, just pause and check.
Subject plus verb, it's a clause. No subject or verb, it's a phrase.
Now, let's clearly understand the difference between a phrase and a clause.
No subject plus verb.
Has subject plus verb.
Cannot form sentence.
May form sentence.
Weaker unit.
Stronger unit.
Now it's your turn. Answer these in the comment section.
Under the tree. She was crying, very loudly, because he was late. On the wall. They are playing, with great speed. When the teacher arrived. A piece of cake. I love English.
Write your answers like this: 1 phrase, 2 clause, 3 phrase, and so on.
So today we clearly learned phrase and clause with examples and practice.
In the next video, we'll learn parts of speech.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Honest Mirror.
Keep learning, keep practicing. See you soon in the next video.